This is how startups die, not because the idea is bad, but because the MVP is too fat and not production ready. I am bootstrapping a SaaS, providing automated employee scheduling for supermarkets and gyms. I asked potential customers what they wanted, and the list got out of control. They wanted open APIs, complex time tracking, shift alarms synced to smart coffee machines. If I try to build all this alone, not only am I launching in 2030, but I'm launching vibe-coded software. Software that looks like it works in a demo video, but crashes the moment that a real human being tries to use it. Today, I'm going to show you how I took this massive list and cut it down to this. If you're a solo developer and don't have the luxury of a QA team, you need to ship value, not bugs. Here are 3 filters I use to find an MVP that is small but fully functional. Filter number 1. What is the core mechanism that the customer is actually paying for? In my case, it's not the enterprise bells and whistles. It's not the SSO with Entra ID. It's not the payroll exports to accounting software. It isn't even the open APIs so that can hack their own smart home integrations. Those features are nice, but they're useless if the schedule itself is wrong. Supermarkets have complex contracts. If my software vibes the schedule and accidentally books, let's say, a student during school time, the shop manager cancels the subscription instantly and also yells at me. So I cut the complex integrations to focus my testing energy on the one thing that cannot fail, the automated rules engine. Filter 2. Why would they switch from Excel to me? Once the rules are stable, I need one thing to seal the deal. My feedback was clear: fairness. Managers hate playing the referee. They hate being accused of favoritism. So I'm keeping the fairness logic. But here's the thing, I can't just slap a fair label on it. The math has actually to check out. By limiting my scope, I have the time to make sure this algorithm produces real data, ensuring the person who got the bad shift last week gets the good shift this week. Filter 3, the reality check. This is where we kill the features that, while good, don't belong in the MVP. The big casualty here, time tracking. Don't get me wrong, it's a great feature. Customers asked for it, and eventually I will build it. But scheduling is about planning the future. Time tracking is about recording the past. Those are 2 different products. If I try to build a time tracker and a schedule planner right now, I'm building 2 separate products in the same time. I'd rather launch one excellent planner today than 2 mediocre tools next year. Finally, I had to make a business decision about technology to minimize bugs. I could have built a React web dashboard and a separate native mobile app, but that's 2 code bases, 2 places for logic to diverge, 2 places for things to break. I chose Flutter, 1 code base. If I fix a bug in the logic, it's fixed on the web and on the mobile app instantly. Does it feel 100% like a native website? Maybe not perfectly, but it's stable. And for a solo founder, stability is your reputation. This is the result: a rules engine that is rock solid, a fairness algorithm that builds trust, a mobile app that actually works. Everything else, distraction. If you are sitting on a massive feature list right now, stop building. Don't build a vibe-coded app that waits for the first user to break it. Pick up a red marker, cross things until what's left is unbreakable. If you want to see me build this business properly from scratch, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.